To make the header component, this header component, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another component name as a header component. So let's create inside the component directory. I'm going to create one file that is called header.jsx. okay, and as you know that I'm using one extension like ES7 snippet extension, so I'm going to just type RNFES. okay, so it had created one header component for me, and let's copy this. After that, what you guys have to do, you have to just render it here like this, header component. okay, my bad. okay, and now as you know that we can get rid of this icon code from here because we doesn't need from here, and I'm gonna cut this line of code, and let's go to the header component, and I'm gonna paste this header component code, this icon code to the here, and let's go back again to the product screen, and I'm gonna copy this line of code, icon size code, icons code, and I'm gonna paste this line of code. Alright, now let's click on this product screen, and icon size doesn't exist, so I'm not gonna import this icon size from the dimension. okay, now let's click on this, and now you can see this icon. okay, now let's go to the product screen, and I don't want to render this text for now, so I'm going to remove this text. okay, now we are able to see this only a header component along inside the header. We are just rendering this back icon. okay, so I'm gonna wrap inside the touchable opacity, and I'm gonna import this from the React Native. okay, and like this, and I'm gonna wrap icons inside the touchable opacity. okay, now we're gonna need another icon that is called heart icon. This is the heart icon which we need. So let's go to the React Native vectors icon directory, and let's search heart. okay, so we got this heart icon, and I'm gonna use this and design heart icon. So for that, I'm gonna copy this and design name, and after that, let's go to the header component again, and here after this icons or anywhere, like that's totally up to you, like I'm gonna add this here, import like that, import and design. So let me copy and design from React Native vectors icon / and design. okay, now we had imported the and design. okay, now after that, let's add it here and design, and the name will be what, hearto icon. so I'm gonna add the name as a hearto like this, and let's see, now we are able to see this back icon along with the heart icon. So for now, if you see that it's not totally matching with the Figma, so if you want to use image, so you can use image as well. So you have to just click on this icon. okay, you have to select this icon, and you have to click on export, and you have to export icon only, so it will get exported. But I prefer this React Native vectors icon. If you want to use image, you can use that as well, totally up to you. okay, now after this, if you see here, we have to make it flex action row and justify content space between. So let's do that as well. So I'm going to write style is equal to styles dot container. okay, I'm going to copy this line of code and add it here, and I'm going to write flex direction as a row. okay, and justify content as a space between, and after that, I'm gonna add align item as a center. okay, now if you think, guys, you were thinking that, bro, we need some padding horizontally as well. Why you had not given the padding? Because the padding is going to given on the top, like that we are going to give to the container, the parent container. So we'll do it later. All right.